Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to online classes again. This is your English time, and today I'm going to teach you a topic from English Understand and Communicate book 1. Here you have this book, and I'm going to open this book on page number 228 because today I'm going to let you have a vocabulary topic which is on page number 228, and the topic is different forms of words. So now let's start this topic today. So fill in the blank in each sentence with the correct form of the word given in brackets. Now in the brackets we are provided with the words, and we have to use the correct form of that word according to the requirement of the statement. The invitation to the party was a dash opportunity for him to meet new people, but he turned it down. The invitation to the party was a golden opportunity. Second is, after the strike, those who were not taken back into service claimed that they were being victimized. Victim, and we are using victimized, correct form of the word, because they were being. This is showing the passive voice of the past continuous tense, and for this one we have to use verb's third form, that is victimized. When we heard the news, he was dashed speechless. Then he burst out in a torrent of words. Moment. Its answer is momentary. When he heard the news, he was momentarily speechless. The hijackers eventually released their hostages. Dash. The hijackers eventually released their hostages harmlessly. One example of a dash organization, global organization, is the United Nations. What he has just stated is dash, it does not fit the facts question. Now this is the word, and we are going to use the correct form of this word, which is questionable here. The dash were ambushed as they came over the mountain. Invade. Its correct answer is the invaders. Please give me a dash account of the incident, not what you think happened. Fact. Now its correct form is factual. Give me a factual account of the incident, not what you think happened. The young chieftain was strong and dash, but he was also rash at times. Fear. Now correct is fearless. Then last is, the children had a most dash encounter with the man they all feared. Dread. Its answer is dreadful. The children had a dreadful encounter with the man they all feared. So this is